Hey guys, welcome back or to my channel. If you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. With that being said, today's video is actually going to be on affordable palettes that you should get as a beginner. If you want to see what the palettes are, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright, so the first palette that I personally believe that you guys should get is this palette called Enchanted, and I actually just used this palette first impression, and it is the what I am using in my eyes today. It retails for I believe $26.99 or $24.99. Can't really remember, but I will have the actual price somewhere up here. It consists of 12 eyeshadows, consisting of shimmers and mattes. Now, these are your everyday shadows that you guys can wear every day if you like for neutral. And these up here are your glitter, which you can also combine like I did. I used Enchanted here. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I will have it linked up here so you guys can check it out. If you guys want a little pop of color during your everyday look, I mean, you can just use this right here. It does come in with a brush, dual brush, and in my video on this look, I do talk about this a little bit more, so you guys gotta watch that. So I totally do recommend this palette for everyday use and a little bit of pop color. The shadows are very soft and very blendable. I didn't really use that much effort to blend with this look, so I do recommend this one for those of you who are new to makeup. The next palette is actually a highlight and contour from Profusion, and I actually got this from my local Goodwill, which was, I believe it was, it retails for $10.99, and at Target, it retailed for $4.99, which was on clearance, and over here at my local Goodwill, it was, I believe, $2.99, so I got this for $2.99. So sometimes, guys, you guys should check out your Goodwills. Now, these right here are some highlights that you guys should totally, like, they're very pretty. Right now, I used this palette, and I used this one right here called Heartbreak. So, let's see. Look how pretty that is, guys. I mean, honestly, that is beautiful. Now, Devoted. Look at that. That is just stunning. Now, these two right here, I always use. I love using these for my neutral looks, for my everyday wear, and they are just perfect. Well, and I do recommend checking it out because if you guys are a beginner, like I said, on the back, it shows you how to contour, how to do everything. So I totally recommend this palette, and it's a very affordable. It's from Profusion. So, and Profusion has some really great products, some eyeshadows that you guys can use, and it's not even that expensive. Now, the next shadow or palette is Neutrals by Profusion as well. Now, as you guys can see, my local Goodwill, I got it for $3.99, and at Target, it was retailing for $9.99. So, now, this is like, actually, this is kind of like Enchanted. It got those like really pretty colors. So I do recommend this one if you guys are like everyday wear for neutrals and stuff, because it does have these two bright colors, or more like three bright colors over here that you guys can look and play around with. It does come with like a really pretty like light color over here. Can you guys see it right here? They are very, very creamy. Like, honestly, like super creamy. And that is just one swatch, guys, from that palette. It is amazing. Look at that. It is amazing. I will have the link up here when I use this palette, because I really do love this. It's just amazing. And Profusion, like I said before, has really affordable palettes for you guys, and it's so inexpensive. So I do recommend this palette if you guys are new. Now the next palette, I actually have not used this palette. I've kind of had it since the summer, but I have not used it. But I really, really do love it, and I do recommend it for those who are new to makeup, because it does have those really light colors and those pop of colors. So this is actually from Glyph Cosmetics. They are on Instagram. If you guys do not know who they are, I will have their link down below on Instagram so you guys can check them out. They do have press-on glitters and brushes and stuff. And actually this one, I can't remember for how much I got it for. I will have somewhere up here how much it is on there. And right now they are actually, I believe, selling this with some brushes, different type of brushes, for $30 or $28.99, which is I think is an amazing deal, which I believe I will be purchasing some for just a secret random giveaway. So that being said, it does come with a big, huge mirror, guys. Like, look. Like, this palette is big and the mirror is big. So, yes. Alright. So, like I said, these right here are your, like, neutral colors. And I totally love. So, if you guys like to play around with makeup and make your looks pop more, it does have some more colorful shadows on this side and some shimmers down here, and these are a little bit more darker colors, which I totally love. And now these are so soft as well. Look at that. It's very pigmented, so pretty. Now let's swatch one of these glitter ones. Now let me tell you, these glitter are like so smooth, guys. Like, honestly, they are very, very smooth. I do love these, and I can't wait to play with this palette. I swear, I've just had it in my drawer, just sitting there, and I absolutely love it. Look at that. That is just amazing. So, if you guys are new to makeup, I do recommend this palette, because it does have so many colors and versatile looks that you guys can do, which I totally love. And I mean, you guys can also come up with like really pretty fall and winter and summer and spring looks. So it's like an every year round palette, which I totally love, guys. So definitely go ahead and check out their Instagram link so you guys can take a look and buy some. Like, they are so pretty. Now, the next palette, actually, I do recommend buying this brand's palettes, because they are very inexpensive. They retail for $24. They used to be $23. But they started to come up with new palettes that are so beautiful. So I think they just upped $1. Now, this brand is Morphe. Now, Morphe has been around for a while. I do really love Morphe. I do have some other palettes that are actually back here. So, and the new Jaclyn Hill palettes are not my favorite, but I still love them. So, now this palette I just got, and I actually do love it. Like, honestly, if I can get it open to show you guys. Now, this is how it looks. Now, it sucks that it doesn't have a mirror, But I do have mirrors laying around everywhere in my house, so it does come with a little plastic, which I would have wished that they would just like engrave it in here, like the name, because I mean this I really don't care for, like honestly. Oh, I'm sorry, Morphe, I just really don't care for. But anyways, like look how pretty this palette is. It's got your purples, your pinks, your browns, your greens. Like this palette is so beautiful. It's just reminds me of honestly like Halloween colors that you guys can use to create a look. And I mean also fall, because fall is more of like this and this, and yeah, fall is like this color. This palette is like fall. But I do recommend checking out Morphe, guys. Their palettes are really very pretty. I do not like the brushes, unfortunately. I did buy my first pair of brushes from Morphe. They were $25 and I did not like it. I do have sensitive eyes, and as you can tell, my eyes are already turning red from this ring light, which is not fun. But what was I? Oh yeah, I do have really, really sensitive eyes, and so those brushes were really, really irritating my eyes, like my eyelid. So I had to give them away to my sister. So if you guys have very sensitive eyes, then I do not recommend buying Morphe brushes. Well, it depends, because if you get the white ones with like really, I don't know, like really hard bristles, those are bad. If you get the ones with like the black bristles, those are really, really soft, and I do recommend those. So Morphe palettes are amazing. I would totally recommend Morphe 100%. Well, they're palettes, guys. And then now the next two palettes are actually both from BH Cosmetics. These kind of, I can't really tell you a actual price because BH Cosmetics always has sales, guys. So these palettes are not always full price. They're kind of like down to $8.99, $7.99, and up. So these palettes I do recommend. They are very soft, and this box, like I really do love. It's very lightweight. But one thing that I really hate is it's so hard to open. But like, look at these. These are so pretty. It's got your pink, your purples, and your grays or blacks, which I love. I have used this palette. I've used this red. I don't have too many palettes that have red. So if you guys know of any palettes that do have a lot of reds, I do want to try those palettes out because I've been trying to get into red colors. But anyways, this is the only red that I have, and I absolutely love this red. This is the only shade. Well, actually, I think it's this little rose that I have been using. They are very soft to the touch, and there is no fallout in these, guys. Like, honestly, no fallout. And look at that. That's so pretty. And I actually gave my mom a palette of these because these are so pretty and so easy. And my mom is like 47, and she loves her palette. Just saying. You're welcome, Mom. This palette, on the other hand, has your neutrals up here and your pop of colors and your blues, which I totally love. These blue down here, like these palettes are so soft, guys. Like, I swear, like I would totally recommend. Like, that's so pretty. Look at that. That's so pretty, and like it's so soft. And this palette is just amazing for beginners. I swear, check out BH Cosmetic, guys. Like, they are so amazing, and they got so many beautiful palettes like this. If you guys are really truly looking for like a high-end brand, BH Cosmetic would be your go-to because they have everything. They got foundations, brushes, concealers, mascara, lashes, brow pomades, brow pencil. They got everything, guys. So I do recommend checking them out. And those are all the palettes that I have for you guys. Like, honestly, all these palettes are all amazing for you beginners, and I do recommend them. So guys, with that being said, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.